Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be working on the Can-Am Maverick and the all-new Boomba Racing door handles. To get started, make sure you have the following tools to complete the install. Begin by removing the door handle trim bolt and pop the trim piece off. Using the pliers and drill bit, lightly drill stock pull strap bolt until it releases. Install the Boomba Racing door handles. Lightly bend bracket away from door panel. Take the door panel trim and go ahead and measure 18 millimeters so we know where to cut. When you've completed cutting, clean the door trim panel area and make sure that there's no sharp plastic edges. Reinstall the door trim. And you're done. Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Like and subscribe for more like this.